Ebiya mwanjo morire bwetaseni kyandizi TV nechinga kichindengo kwarigania twemanye amangana maya senchera yowenge erietariane Dorcas kemumana ninde no kwegena buna emubaso no gendete koba omuyakegima nigo turachikubwatirana ne Lydia Mose uyugo kumanya wetira senchera yemanyerio nere Petra Mukaira kwene kingamali ogene chibicha agoikire asenchera yobwikirano ngo kwenyero nyari gotubwatia wetira senchera yemetandao asensemo area ya YouTube no torebuna Ndizi TV News na bwigo Facebook tanyore buna Ndizi TV News digital kwekase website na watore buna www.ndizitv.net. Ama yeito ni goto kunyachaka korase county ya Kisii ase bodi ya enya ya Kisii Municipal Board ni gobono ya chorirwe eyo erachi gochia kwene kibuna ai tauni ya ose bosongo ya chire kogoroka buya nabo igo kwene kingabo chabu tibori gochi gotoka ase tauni eyo sase Kisii town ase bono omora igosomo gabana bwe county ya Kisii Simbarati aikirana ase bodi ase geti ensemo ya ATC asibono abarayi abo bodi ya municipal baba bagotianiwa asibono barachi kubwatirana likwene kinga nkogoroke bale omochi obosongo
and the DG Senate, honorable MCAs, members of the municipal board, county staff, distinguished guests and ladies and gentlemen, as we gather here today to inaugurate the Kisii Municipality Board is a momentous occasion that signifies a new chapter in the development and progress of our beloved municipality. I extend my warmest congratulations to each and every member of the Kisii Municipality Board on this important milestone. The establishment of the Kisii Municipality Board brings with it a set of great expectation from all residents of Kisii County. It's imperative that as members of the esteemed board, you will uphold principles of good governance, transparency, and accountability in all your actions.
I, Jamil Shamji, do swear that I shall always, truly and diligently serve the people and the Republic of Kenya in the office as a member of the Kisii Municipality Board of the County Government of Kisii. That I shall
oath of office that I shall at all times, when so required, faithfully and truly give.
Mwancho morigari umonyegoyo nigo korekana ase egeti chigosori kya Gusii Stadium na tari asensemo ya ATC togosika motwe goikase county ya Nyamira nigo mugavana we county eyo amose nyaribo ritukoria rero ara umonyegabo gochakia eskuru yobobundi ya Nyamwange eyibono erachikokonya aborokia abagochiko imukia chikosi cha magoko achingaki cyumonyegoyo nigo amose nyaribo atebona nigo arachikobwatoka chibasari echigo chikokonya abaroki wabari bakuru ase chinka chintaka anene ase bari batari kwenyara ase bono barachikwewa che scholarship ase bono atebere nigo arachikobwatoka gochakera ritukoria ankyo ase akagere gochikobwatoka chibesa chibesa chishiringi chimilioni 52 ase bono atena nigo bagochikobwatiramo na baiboli kwanekena ngochigosira bale chiseme ase county yo nabo igo nigasabo kwabira asokonyorwa gwechiba chibasari echo asikiria tena nigo serikali enene yabage kunyorwa gutuma chibesa gocha ase chi county na nigo baigo aruro basemi gocha ase abasaye na baigo aboriko bonsi bari bakwemokia chikosi cy'ububonde kwene kinga kwemoki bare chikosi chiri abakonya ase amagimabo.
142 students scholarships basol kon form 1 na uniform paka ba form 4 Mwaka wana mia saba abena mbili. Pasa yo ako scholarship. Asinyo mwangeni suits. I think we talk tumanya ngakie serikali yote ikiaga abantu wao sabaji sisi serikali na private they are all our kids. So there is no law in the bar or going on one or the private institutes. And tomorrow there are those who assume we don't use scholarship but we give partial support. Tomorrow we are giving about 70 million to less privileged students across the County. Tomorrow. You may ask why it's a young. It's like a Purwari as a little child. Lakini leo ngine fees balance yao. Yao kwa masomo. Yamo. Nitamanyira abekora yao. Eno moye market tunetie. Eno yao kwa. Nowadays, it's very unfortunate.
Togotigara sensema yo yechisemi nigo abaibori babulwe kwene kinga kubwatirana bali amo na balimo aso kwene kinga abana babo ngonyora bali chisemi chiwendete ase chiskuru ka kwanaiga no mo waziri wechisemi ase county ya Nyamira Kennedy Machora oyo ori ukwana chinga kiekirana ase omoyega wogo chakia skuru yo bundi ya Nyamwange eyo gotoka asensemo yesise county ya Nyamira ase bona abolire abaibori kwene kinga aba nkubwatina n'abarimu amo n'ababwatani bonse bichisemi anene asaba arokiwa bari barebirase ebike go sichiskuru cyoboroso anene aba CBC askiri nigo CBC yo eganeti okubwatira nakore igoro mono nechinga kicho niga atumeka kuboria aba arokiwa kwene kinga nkwemuko eso yabare ase ochiskuru cyobobunde askiri nigo baranyore chigasi cyabwango ekere bagosomera chigasi cyamaboko.
That's when kama umefanya kazi yoyote wewe kuja hapa tunakupatia certificate na unaendelea kusoma kila siku kusoma hivyo mpaka utasoma mpaka ukuwe profesa wa kutengeneza viti na kitanda hapa mjini. Your Excellency, thank you for coming. Thank you Professor. Thank you all members for supporting this program. Wazazi wenzangu, tafadhali tukubaliane na tusaidie CPC. Tufanye nini? Tusaidie nini? CPC. Thank you for listening to me.
And we are not in a crisis mode, lakini msiwachilie irudi. Tunapambana naye ya kutosha. I am sure that very soon we are going to eliminate the same from our society. Ya pili, tunasema tulikuguzia. We know the threat that we face as a country.
Amate yo mugaka Francis Oyego ase oyokuru ase ekinyoro kya Nyaero ewode ya Nyakwa imeye bunge ya Kitutu Chache South nigo bare no mogoko manene aso kumwarigani inka maya maiga yomo ogaka Francis Oyego kora emyaka yaye 35 nebere ase obokorari ase serikali asabeire ka okorega yobonyanyimbo chinga kicho niga tumeka kumwaka Sambi amano ase oko morenda bireka kumorenda chingaki alinge ase emirimo yaye.
Ase ke buye gomo yego lero atabire ngambu yamo nase bali bonse baicha kongo ege bisio nya ko gendera kina berisiko chingaki chonsi na berisiko ase gasi ya police challenges chiro chinyinge lakini asawa baire omobui ase kiralingana na yeko lebo na kirisika Kenya saa aba mananchi ne jamii yane akira tokora ngendereo kora amaya kujya sare ne nato sisenie kere ngentonge bwate omwanso ange bwate omwari oye tali egasi yoka omuntu ora akora omaya komenya kiga ne kinyingo omuntu ora akora na kirisika iganda akore abantu bane baragere na ngenda agere omonyene.
Majina naitwa Deborah Onyego, langu ni kumshukuru Mungu, amekuwa mwema katika jamii hii. Amewezesha dadi 37 years in service, ameweza kumaliza akiwa mzima, buheri wa afya. Tunamtakia mema, tunamtakia azidi kuwa na nguvu na tunampenda kwa umbali ambaye ametutoa, ametusaidia kama watoto, tumesoma, tumeenda campus, ametulipia school fees, amejitahidi kama mzazi. Langu ni kumwambia pongezi na hongera pia kwa kumaliza kazi akiwa mzima.
Aba clinic officer imeyenseto ya Kenya nigo ritukoria rero bakorire omogiro obwemiremo yabo oyo bachagite omotinyo kanetarike yamo omwaka oyo ase ritukoria rero obono bachakire kwirana emiremo bene aya maiga yo kobeka ese yo koiwana kwirana emiremo amone tureti yabagavana ase bono baiwananire egati na goikirania egati ya maga ebirero byabo baringe kolera eserikali egati yabo yo gokinwa ebirego na baigo kwa enyongesa yemeshara asebono batini barachigo cha kabene emirimo yabo ritukoria rero asebono baganirie aba obisa aba clinic officer bonsi kurana asemero na baigo gwetoma ase egasi yabo.
I think it's good to mention that we are here today to sign a return to work between the Kenya Union of Clinical Officers and the county government under the Council of Governors. We appreciate the leadership under the Council of Governors for this good gesture that indeed once we are in discussion that we can be able to iron out the differences, which is a clear indication on what we have been able to sign today. We began our strike on 1st of April after 7 days strike notice, which was issued on 25th of March. And we have been on strike until today, where now today, by virtue of signing this return to work, we are officially declaring that our strike has come to an end, and our members shall resume duty in their respective place of work starting today and not later than 24 hours from the date hearing. It is good to note that we as the union, we do not celebrate this situation of going on strike. We always desire that we can be on the table to engage and try and agree to iron issues which are there, because at the end of the day there must be issues. But we want to believe that this then mark a new beginning, because some of the issues that we had on our strike notice are issues that date back in 2017, issues of promotion and redesignation, where members have stagnated in one job group without any promotion.
Murikyo monene bw'ikyama kya UDA Clovis Marara nigo bono abolirie abagavana kurasa chi county chonsi 45 kwa ene kinganku bwati bale chimbaratero cyo murayi bwense ase okorusia cyobisi cyabarugi babo ase obisi gose ase obokorari bwa chi county kawukwana yo ningalinga ase county ya Kakamega asate birekero barachikorusi cyobisi cyo nigo kibese cyo kirache koenda ase chinsemo abana gokonya anene ase okuwakana nonya nemeshara ase chi county.
Muhimu viongozi wasikuwe wanakuja kwa wananchi wakati wa kura peke yake, kwamba tunaweza kuja tu tupige gumzo, tuongee, tusemezane, alafu watu waende nyumbani. Isiwe kila wakati tunakuja kwenyu ni kuomba kura. Tunataka uongozi ambao viongozi wanaweza kuwa wanakaa na wamama wanasikia shida zao, wanaweza kuwa wanakaa na wazee wanasikia shida zao. So mimi nimeamua nianzishe program Kenya nzima. Kenya nzima, mimi kama katibu mkuu wa chama cha UDA, kwamba nitakuwa naenda kwa kila kijiji kupiga gumzo mtaani, kwamba watu wanaongea na wengine, si ndio?
Mwancho murire igano ngoikera omweri wa mangana maya senchera yo yutoganete gukwariganiria no chukanyora senchera yobwikiranu gekoraga ensemo yabono marogoba ereteria ne Dorcas Kemuma na nigo batwabwatana na nere Nelfa Oro oyo boigo bwatana na Petra Mokeira kweneke ngamali gene chibecha agwikire asenchera yobwikiranu nene lide muse nigane kenga kwa manyire gwetera asenchera yibe manyire twara oborikire ryo ya imeyandeze TV nabo bwansu umubusi